Hello everyone. So my name is Sankalp Ambulkar and I am computer science graduate. I'm 2018 passed out and it was my school dream. From class 8th I decided to be a software engineer and that's why I chose the computer science stream in my engineering. But as I got into my college, I thought that this teaching is not practical and not industry level standard. The work which has been done in the industry, it will not help me. So placement started, and I couldn't get placed into that. There are very few companies which drove campus drive in our college, and I couldn't got placed into that. So after that, I searched for various jobs. I gave many interviews, even in my city, in other cities also. But it was somewhat bad experience for me. I still recall that there was one company which was giving me a lesser salary and were demanding me a check of 2 lakhs for as a security deposit with 2 years of bond. So that was a quite horrible experience for me. Then 1 year passed, and after that, I was scrolling through Instagram and I found this ad about Attain You, and it caught up my interest. First thing which caught up my interest was the stack they were training us in. That was MERN stack, MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So it was quite interesting. After that, I go through their website and I found out that there was zero upfront fees that I had not to pay. So that quite caught up my interest. So I decided to join Attain You. Why Attain You? Okay. So the first thing was, I would be completely honest that there is zero upfront fee. That I don't have to pay a hefty amount of money before I get into the training. Then I found out that the training is not good. So this was the first thing that caught up my interest in Attain You. And the second thing was, they have given a brief introduction of their instructors. One was Arkesh, and he was quite experienced in what he was doing. And so that was the second reason I joined Attain. And the third was the tech stack they were training us in. So that is some very latest technologies which are currently industries are in working. So that was the main reasons which I find out to join Attain. The teaching in Attain You was it was all assignment based teaching. So after every topic, instructor gave us assignment which we have to do throughout our day. So that was quite unique approach and a quite practical approach in teaching. So this was the first thing which I liked about the teaching in Attain You. And the second one was the doubt solving thing. There were separate channels for doubt solving. So that quite helped me a lot in throughout our course. Even if the instructor is not responding, if he is caught up in another work, my peers of our course helped me a lot if they know about this doubt if I had one. And the hands-on experience which I got after making 2 real projects throughout my course, so that helped me a lot, like how work is done in teamwork basis and how to solve a problem on a dedicated time, and how things should be planned and how agile model works. So that was the 3 things which I liked about teaching aspect of Attain You. At the very beginning of my course, I was still skeptical that how will I face the interviews even if the course goes fine, and all of that. I was quite low in confidence regarding the interview thing, because I have faced many rejections in my previous interview. So what helped me in Attenu's placement process was they conducted this mock interviews. One mock interview was conducted with our group, in which we were asked questions to each other for about 15 to 20 minutes and grilled all of them. And that helped me by building my confidence of how should I face the interview. Second, there was a one-on-one mock interview with instructor, and that helped me a lot to find my weakness, which I was lacking before that. Uh, so I dedicatedly attended these mock interviews, so it helped me a lot building my confidence. And after that, I faced second company, that was Red Panda, and I got placed in that. So currently I am working in that, and I have got allotted project, and I'm quite happy. I am currently working on The Wire. It is a news website, online news website, which many of us are might be familiar, and it was quite an interesting project. I am currently working as a React developer there, so which Atenu taught us in that training. It is helping me a lot.